Alright, let's talk about word break. So, given a string S and a dictionary of the strings for dictionary, return truth if S can be segmented into a space-separated sequence of one or more dictionary words. So I'm using an example 1 to just demonstrate it. So I'm going to use the DP array, and then it's going to be Boolean, and I need the size of length of the S plus 1. This is because we need to include the index 0, and the word dictionary is LeetCode, right? So in this, I have to initialize DP to all of the false, and then I need to set the first one equal to true, because this is how I initialize it. And later on, I will just traversing my DP array, and if the DP array is false in this case, I don't want to worry about it. But if that is true, then I have to know, like, when I traversing the array, I will just traversing the word dictionary into the DP. So in this case, since the first one is true, right, and then I will traversing a lit. So the lit will have the length, right? So it's starting from the current position, which is 0, plus the word length, which is 4, and then I will check does this word is actually in the string S. If that is true, then I will set the dp4 equal to true. Alright, and you might be misunderstanding, but let me just stop coding and you'll be able to understand. So boolean dp and new boolean, and I have to initialize my n first, so this will help me pretty easy to set up. So I have an n plus 1, right? And I will initialize everything to the false, which is already false, but for the first one it's always true, right? Then I need to traverse from I equal to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus. From the beginning of the string to the end of the string. And so for right now, if the DPI, right, if the DPI is equal to false, right, if not equal to true, right, so we continue, don't worry about it. If that is true, then we need to know the first one is true, right? Then we need to know, like, okay, now is the time that we have to check the word dictionary. So for the word string word in the word dictionary, I have another index. My word index is actually depending on my I. So in J is equal to I plus word dot length, right? And then if that is true, right, if this word is inside the string S, so the S is what? LeetCode, right? If this word is inside the LeetCode, which is S, I need to set the DPI equal to true. So so I need to set the DP at J equal to true, right? The if statement is a little bit hard to think about it, so we need to check the J. So J has less than equal to n. There's a reason why we have a less than equal. This is because we initialize the DP to n plus 1. So you can have an equal sign over here, but if you not assign n plus 1, then you cannot have the equal sign right there. And then I need to make sure S the substring at I comma J. So I comma J is actually represented from I equal to 0, right? I equal to 0 to 4, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But we don't include the C, right? So which is LEET, right? Is inside is equal to the word lead, right? So S dot lead is equal to the word. Then I say DPJ equal to true. And anything else, right? After that, I don't worry about it. So I will just return DPN. So DPN represents the last variable, right? Then I need to making sure that it can be reused multiple times or not, right? So let's just run it. And here we go. So alright, let's talk about time and space complexity. for the time, this is actually what this is actually all of n, and this is actually the length of the word dictionary. So I would say that is all of n times w, and then space is all of n. And I have a note for you guys. So this is the time and space complexity. So if you have any question, leave a comment below and then subscribe if you want it, and like the video if you feel helpful. And I will see you next time. Bye.